I get our viewers real hot today. You had a good sleep, Whiskers? You sleep. Good kitty, good cat. There's a garage sale down the road and there was some free stuff I got off them. So had a look at some stuff. I saw this sort of crap and this all goes apparently. Just the starter was buggered. Because I pulled the starter off and lost the fuel tank. This is supposed to be an earth. So that's just the mains earth, goes to an earth rod in the ground. There's nothing wrong with it apart from the fact that the original fault was the starter was broken. And they pulled it apart and yeah. Basically lost the other parts, but that's not going to be much of a problem. The fuel tank's missing as well, but I could get my own for this. It's a 2-stroke Chinese Bunnings special 650 watt 2-stroke generator. 650 watts not really much, but eh. For some reason I put a 15 amp outlet on it. I'll clean it up and get that going with a new fuel tank and maybe a different starter for it. Be a good little mess about generator. Also I got a free wash machine from the same place. I reckon it was stuffed, the motor was burnt out or something and this was buggered, but nothing wrong with it. Just the hinges are broken. Little actuator inside there would press the switch. The actuator was broken, it wasn't pressing the main switch which is cutting the machine off. The actuator for the cutout switch is gone, so I bypassed the switch electronically. And this thing works fine. I brushed it all out, cleaned it. It's from 1995, so this thing's fine. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just all siphoning on me. Yeah. Got a dual tap boiler rigged up because the drain hose is missing on it. No leaks. Just needs a good clean. Just set out for about a year outside. 5th 1992. So 1999, the turn of the millennium, when Australia stopped making washing machines altogether. So this is now the worst brand you can buy washing machines. This used to be the best, this brand. I'll get to my local appliance repair shop, get this whole complete top piece replaced. It's a bit sunburnt. Not too much of an issue, but you just can't see what's written on it anymore. If I can get this whole top piece cheap, it'd be good. Plus the lid. With it. And that's pretty much all this thing needs. You can use it like this as it is, but I suppose it should still work. This doesn't have an out of balance. It won't cut out if it goes out of balance because I bypass the switch altogether. Let it clear itself out. Clean it all out. Which is working quite well. I put some nappy set and bloody oxy based cleaner in there. Stain removing cleaner, soaking solution to kill the smell. It smelled pretty bad in there. And hopefully we can get that machine all up and going normally, but as it is, it's not really much of a problem with the broken hinges. It's still quite usable. You just got to be careful how you load it. Oh, cute. So that was a pretty good score for a good working wash machine and a good working generator. It just needs a starter and a fuel tank. They threw the fuel tank here. Might be good to zap shit with or maybe fry stuff with it. Check the air cleaner. Yeah, it's a pretty damn cheap Bunnings special. At least if the motor buggers up at some point in time, I can just adapt another motor onto it, just use it as an alternator for something. A 240 volt alternator is always useful, especially with this bloody green energy nowadays. Everyone wants to save power. You can power this with some sort of governed motor of any other kind and just, yeah, generate power some other way. So the fuel tank connects onto there, so I've got to extend that hose, then wash this all on degreaser and clean it all out. Little 50 to 1 is the mixture it takes. Do not use ethanol, E10 in other words, shit, or high octane fuels in this generator. I only use 50 to 1 fuel mix. Never connect this generator to a domestic or commercial power supply. Do not operate a generator until you have read and understood the instruction manual. Do not refill while running, obviously, with the warning labels. So 650 watt, it's not much. about 4 of these running off it. That's running all I can power. Anything like that, no. Too much. It wouldn't even start a motor. It'll bog it down too hard. But yeah, it's worth trying. So that'll be a nice little toy to play with. Nice little generator I can fix up. Nice big muffler it's designed to run quietly. So she'll need a good dose of some degreaser. Get some compressed air before I can get this thing running again. Make a little thing to come off here and here with a bracket to hold the fuel tank. So the outlet's got to be filled on this side, away from all this. Don't want to get all this off of the petrol. That's a capacitor for power factor, I think. Yeah, power factor capacitor there. Keeps the output stabilised. That's a regulator. Goes to the switch, a voltage regulator. That goes in there, which is also part of this kill switch, kill the coil. And the hose is kinked. I have to put the bloody hose up and kind of wet myself. Ah, well, good thing she's got detergent in there. Oops. But yeah, so I just got to get a drain hose for it. It's only a temporary rig, this one. Maybe a bit of nappy sand, not going to hurt. Oh, I've got to somehow clean the rest of this shit out. Yeah, that needs a clean. Not too much of a drama. Not too much of a drama to clean that. So I'll need a hose out. Whew. As I said, she'll need a clean, she's good to go. I've got to rinse some nappy sand off my feet now. Oh well, unless it's cool, pretty hot day today. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.